Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transfer money between different accounts using the RBC mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I usually head straight to the bottom and tap on the yellow action button. From there, I select the option to transfer between my accounts. Once I'm on that screen, I can easily choose the account I want to transfer from, enter the amount, and then select the account I want to transfer to. I can also adjust the date or frequency depending on what I need. After that, I just review everything and continue to complete the transfer. I like using this feature because it's quick and keeps everything organized without needing to move money outside the app. So yeah, that's exactly how I transfer money between accounts using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.